In this video, I'll show you how to ping in League of Legends. Alright, pinging is pretty easy to do. To open up the smart ping wheel, just go ahead and hold on G right here. Hold left click as well, or the mouse button one. You'll be able to see the smart ping wheel right here. Alright, again, hold G, hold your left click, and just hover your mouse right here at these options. Alright, say for example, need vision, release your mouse, and there you have your smart ping wheel. And also by using Alt, left click, as you can see, there will be a ping. Let's say for example that you wanted to ping on a map right here at the bottom right. For example, you wanted to ping right here. Just hold on Control right here in your keyboard and ping. Left click. You can also hold Alt and ping right here. You can also use G. Press G on your keyboard. Press G and this exclamation point will pop up right here on your screen. Then just tap on a space right here. As you can see, there will be a ping as well. G, tap, or if you want a simple caution ping, press V on your keyboard. V as in violet right here. As you can see, signals to be cautious. V, tap. Now, when we press escape on our keyboard, go to hotkeys right here. All right. Now just scroll down, all the way down, and you'll be able to see communications right here. Just click on it. All right. And as you can see here, alert ping will be G, quick alert ping, Alt plus mouse button 1, which is left click, caution V, and quick caution ping will be hold Control plus left click. All right. You can go ahead and make your custom pings right here, like on my way. Go ahead and click on that, then press a key on your keyboard, for example, 0, then hit OK. Once that's done, go ahead and hit on 0 on your keyboard. As you can see here, without clicking your mouse, you'll be able to ping on my way right here. That's basically how we use pings in League of Legends. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.